Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the Monkey app without turning on your camera. First, right click on this PC and open Manage. From there, go to Device Manager and disable all the webcams you see. You can find them under Cameras or Imaging Devices. If you have any virtual camera installed, make sure to uninstall them as well. After that, open your browser and go to the Monkey app. When it asks for permissions, don't allow access to your camera or microphone. You can see I didn't allow camera access or microphone access. Now simply go back to the Monkey app and click on Start Video Chat. As you can see, you are now using the Monkey app without a camera. I hope this video helps you, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.